I heard you was looking for some amazing new items. I got you, okay? Honey, I'm gonna deliver in answer to the mother and the brother. You ready? Honey, you may need a pen and a pen, a pencil, and a notepad, okay? Check these items out. You ain't gonna believe it. I tell you, I absolutely love coming to this Dollar Tree. Do you see this? This is the Precision Beauty Jumbo Mesh Bath Sponge, okay? Cleans and exfoliates. You get 2 of these for $1.25. Honey, this don't look like no $1.25. This is giving me luxury. This is giving me spa vibes, okay? This is giving me get it, okay? $1.25. Absolutely love this. They don't only have this color, they have another color as well. Check this out. So Dollar Tree has these new jumbo mesh. Oh my goodness. Bath sponges, 2-pack. So they have the blue and white. They also have the pink and blue. Honey, I don't know if this is blue or gray. But honey, these are so cute. Absolutely love these. Now, if you are having a ladies spa or maybe a couple spa night, these are cute as well. Bath sponges, 4 pieces for $1.25. Absolutely love these. Dollar Tree also have the shower headbands that come in multiple colors. They have the blue, the purple. They also have the red. My favorite is definitely the blue. Have you seen this? Okay, child, let's get into it. This is the portable neck fan, $5. How you doing? Dollar Tree is out here slaying and definitely not playing. Check this out. Major new items. Neck fan, 360 rotation, 3 wind speeds, flexible, portable neck fan. Be happy. This is $5. Absolutely love this. Honey, have you seen these? Touch control lamps that comes in 2 different colors. LED, battery operated. They come in black and also white. Can you say still deal like Holyfield? Honey, did you see this? Okay, yes, this is banded here. Honey, you want to know how much this normally go for? In stores such as Target or Walmart, $11.99, some even $30. Yes, okay. So this is like a sample packet. It has the shampoo. You get 2 sample packets for $1.25. It has in here shea butter and coconut oil repair and shampoo. And they also have the conditioner in here. It's free from parabens, sulfates, and silicone. Honey, when I tell you Dollar Tree is out here styling and definitely profiling, they out here. You need to move your feet to the beat. Another item that Dollar Tree has is this one right here, my hair, my canvas. Now this is Cool Hydrations. You get 2 packs for $1.25. Dollar Tree has definitely been delivering when it comes to like these travel size packets or these samples for your hair. Oh my goodness. And when you go and look at the prices of these items, they are way more. The actual shampoo, way more than $1.25. Now I know these are samples, but honey, this is a steal deal. You can try this to see if you would like the shampoo and then go buy the shampoo. How you doing? New at Dollar Tree. Now, this one is for the men, okay? And if you're a girl like myself, you know, I will wear these around the house, these men's boxer briefs. These are $1.25. They feel good, okay? So they have the airheads, the sugar daddies. They also have Bob Ross. They also have Popeye. Who remember Popeye? They also have some more sugar daddies. Popeye, and what was his girlfriend name? Oh gosh, I'm trying to think of her name. Honey, let me know in the comment section. I know you guys know. Now, Dollar Tree also have, thinking about Popeye, I'm thinking also about Woody Woodpecker. You remember Woody Woodpecker back in the day, the cartoon? Oh my goodness, that was my thing. I absolutely love that cartoon, Woody the Woodpecker. Now, Dollar Tree also have these Part Tart socks. These are $1.25. Crew socks, shoe size from 6 to 13. They also have the Mountain Dew, the mac and cheese, the Oscar Myers, the posters, The Office, Reese Pieces, Jurassic Park, Tootsie Roll, honey, it goes on and on like lamb chop. This is the song that never ends. It goes on and on, my friend. Okay, they also have Skittles. Oh, the Skittles is giving. They have Sesame Street. Look at Jurassic Park. I absolutely love this blue. This is really, really cute. Other items that Dollar Tree has is these Folks Fur 100% polyester pillows. When I tell you these are so soft, oh my goodness. I don't know if this is rabbit, okay, honey. Now, I know it say Folks Fur, meaning it's not real child, but this feels so good. Now, these are $5. The only color that they currently have right now is this gray, but honey, take it away, okay? This is good. Other items that Dollar Tree has is these quad chairs. Now, we've seen these before, and these are $9. This is a steal deal like Holyfield. Now, you know you're about to be invited to a lot of cookouts. You may want to get this container set. Now, this is $5. It is a 14-piece round container with lids. Absolutely love this. Honey, you're going to put your potato salad in here. Oh, yes, yes. Your macaroni salad, your mac and cheese, your collard greens, your chicken wings. Okay? Honey, you're going to just pack up. All right? Now, don't try to take all the food, Linda. These are really, really cool. Love this. These are so cute. These Bluey socks, $1.25 for the children. They also have these princess socks here, $1.25 as well. And then the teenage mutant ninja turtle socks, $1.25. Now, I don't know who's the Eagles fan, okay, but honey, they keep on bringing the Eagles stuff here. They have the magnetic bag clip 2-piece set, $1.25. They also have these plates right here, and also these tumblers. One for $1.25. If you are looking for some really fancy mugs, these are wide and huge, to say the least. Microwave safe. These are $1.25. Honey, these things are, when I tell you they are huge, these are really, really good. These not just standard size mugs, okay? These are really fancy. They have them in white, red, and also gray. They also have the regular mugs. All you need is love and coffee. I know that's right. Now, those come in red, and then they have the solid red, and then they also have these black mugs. All you need is love and coffee as well. Dollar Tree is definitely doing it for you and me. And look, they also have the white ones. Cute. So, if you're looking for something that's going to give the outside of your house a pop and not stop, honey, it's these solar stake lights. I absolutely love these daisy lights. These are so cute. Or sunflower, honey, tomato, $1.25. These are cute. These are fancy pantsy. The people, they did not play or waste any time in this store, okay, because honey, they have a few items left, but they got some amazing stuff in here. Really, really cool. So some of you guys, you was looking for the Ariel laundry, okay, detergent. Dollar Tree definitely, honey, they got a whole box here. Okay, they got a whole box. Now, this is $1.25. It washes up to, I believe it's like 5 loads or so. But honey, I ain't gonna tell you, I used damn near the whole pack for just one load. Okay, honey, we ain't gonna discuss that. Now, it smells really, really good. But I didn't only use this, I also used other laundry detergent as well. But when you smell this, the Downy, it smells delightful. Normally they sell out quick with this, okay? So if you in Dollar Tree and you need some laundry detergent, maybe you want to give this a go, Joe. Now, other items Dollar Tree has is the bottle cleaner tabs, cleans water bottles, coffee tumblers, beverage containers, thermal seals, and more. You get 12 tablets for $1.25. So to my DIY treat, look at these. These are cute. Wood plaques, love, peace, heart, home, honey. I know y'all coming to Dollar Tree and getting these wood plaques, okay? Wakey, wakey, eggs and bakey. I know that's right. I love this sign, okay? This sign is cute for $1.25. They have some amazing items for the DIYers or just anybody that love to create things. I always say that each and every one of us are creators. Like this chalkboard. Well, this is really not a chalkboard. But this is cute. This will do. Really cute. And then they also have the vinyl paper, still 50 cents each. This is nice. If you are looking for some amazing candles, come down to Dollar Tree. They have some amazing candles like this lemon sherbet. Okay, this is $5. They also have the coconut colada and also the dragon fruit, which is $5 as well. Oh, I was about to say, I don't see it back here. Really, really nice. Now, when it comes to these candles, my fave is definitely the orange one. Okay, scented. This one is called Soothing. It smells just like, you know, the orange popsicles with the ice cream. Really, really good. They also have the cranberry one. The cranberry one smells good as well, but my fave is definitely this one. If you are looking for some floating shells, Dollar Tree definitely has them in a place to be. These are $1.25. You can put picture frames up here. You can put like little candles up here. These are so, so cute. And if you was to go to a hardware store, you are not going to get a floating shell for $1.25. This is unheard of. They come in two different colors. They have the white and also the black. And if you need to get your children some clogs, these are girl clogs. They are $5. They come in two different colors. They have the white and a pink. Dollar Tree also have these Hershey socks. You get 6 pairs for $5. Now, these not really, really thin like, you know, other Dollar Tree socks that I have found. They also have the Kisses, the Hershey Kisses. And then they also have the multi candy pack socks, okay? The Blow Pop, the Junior Mints, the Sugar Babies, Tootsie Roll, and Dots. Absolutely love this. Now, my fave is definitely the Paws Beer Paw quarter socks. Now, these are on the thin side, but honey, they beer paw socks. $5 for 10 pairs. That is a still deal like Holyfield. All right, family, let me know what was your favorite items. Mine's definitely was the neck fan that they had. They had so many new items. Lamps. Oh my goodness, that was definitely fancy. Ooh, child. When I tell you Dollar Tree is gonna have you move your feet to the beat so you could spin out in these streets. On the next one, keep rocking out, believe in yourself, keep going, keep growing. Until next time.